This question is a trigonometry question that could be either easy or difficult depending on our understanding of the vocabulary. It says, given an angle in standard position, which of the following angles is coterminal with 405 degrees? The first vocabulary or terminology we want to be familiar with is coterminal. So co means the same and terminal means the end. So this is saying what's an angle that ends in the same place as 405 degrees. So a simple way you can think about this, and then I'll draw us a visual so we can make a connection to what we're doing, is if you are at some point on a circle and you travel a full circle either in the positive direction or in the negative direction, you will end up in the same place. You will terminate in the same spot. So that can be a very easy way to address coterminal, and we can answer this question that way. We can just say, okay, if I'm at 405 degrees and I travel a full circle, which is 360 degrees, that should give me a coterminal angle with 405. And so 405 plus 360 would be 765 degrees. That would be a coterminal angle with 405 degrees. But if you look at that, that's not one of our options. You can do the same thing, but just travel in the opposite direction. So we'll still start at 405 degrees. And now we're going to travel 360 in the opposite direction. So subtract 360. And 405 minus 360 is 45 degrees. So 45 degrees is a coterminal angle with 405. And if we look at our answers, that answer is going to be choice B. But let's also talk about this concept of standard position and get a visual for what's happening here. So standard position means in the XY axis, any angle that we have will always start on the positive x-axis. So we start here, and if the angle is positive, which in our case it is, you travel in the counterclockwise direction. If it was negative, you would go clockwise. So starting on the positive x-axis for standard position, let's travel 405 degrees. So first of all, there's 90 degrees, there's 180 degrees, that's 270 degrees. One full circle is 360 degrees. So we just went 360 degrees, but we need to go to 405 degrees. So 405 degrees is 45 degrees more than 360. So again, traveling to the first vertical would be 90 degrees. 45 is half of that, so we're just going halfway. So that red angle would be 405 degrees. Okay, but the 45 degree angle is just from the standard position, positive x-axis, to here. That's the green angle of 45 degrees, and both of those terminate at the same spot, which makes them coterminal angles. And again, our answer here would be 45 degrees in choice B.